Alright, you guys, welcome back to Martial Arts Tutorial. And today I finally found the Stars and Stripes series after I don't even know how long. Monster Jam, guys, the packaging is cool, only at Walmart. There's a Toro Loco versus Megalodon. Really cool. Here's the back. JCB Diggertron and Gravedigger, I want to get those next. Collect them all, Real Trucks, Real Action Monster Jam. Pretty cool. And so my Walmart took long to get these. Love the eagle on the back, that's so cool. Without further ado, guys, let's go and open this. Alright, sorry about that, guys. Sometimes it's hard with one hand. So here's the trucks. Let's go to Toro Loco first. Let me put the light on it. Look at this, guys. I love that. The flame is Stars and Stripes, which is cool. The dark blue body. Flames, red, white, and blue. The red nose ring. The white horns. The teeth on the side. Monster Jam logo. El Toro Loco. This is a new casting, by the way. El Toro Loco, monsterjam.com. Red tires. Blue rims and beadlocks. Blue roll cage. White chassis. Pretty cool. There's Toro Loco. Let's go to the Megalodon, which this one's really nice. It has blue tires, red rims and beadlocks, red roll cage, white chassis. The fins are actually red, which is cool. I love the Stars and Stripes and the white eyeball with the teeth. Monster Jam logo. Pretty cool. Look how glossy that is. Isn't that cool, guys? It's really glossy. So that's all I got today, guys. That's the only new thing I saw. Like, subscribe, comment, share if you can, guys. More unboxings coming soon. Peace out. Hope you all enjoyed.